What if I told you that companies in China are building robots that could outpace Boston Dynamics, challenge Tesla, and reshape the future of AI-powered machines? Well, guess what? It's already happening. Back in February 2025, China's most powerful leaders, including President Xi Jinping himself, held a rare and highly publicized meeting with the country's top tech minds. You had Jack Ma from Alibaba, Ren Zhengfei from Huawei. But there was one name almost no one in the West recognized, Wang Xingxing, the founder of Unitree Robotics. So why was he there? Because Unitree is no longer just a robotics startup. It's part of a national strategy to lead the next era of artificial intelligence, automation, and humanoid machines. And Unitree's not alone. From XPeng to Ubtech to EngineAI, China is unleashing a robotics revolution right now, and you won't believe what these machines can already do. These Chinese robots are insane, and today, we're going to show you why the rest of the world should be paying very close attention. Kicking things off, we have XPeng Sion, a full-scale humanoid robot developed by the electric vehicle giant XPeng. Unveiled at the 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, Ion isn't just for show. It's already working on the company's production lines, assembling cars. Standing 1.73 meters tall and weighing 70 kilograms, Ion features 60 joints with 200 degrees of freedom, making its movements shockingly human-like. Its hands alone have 22 degrees of freedom. That's precision most robots can only dream of. What powers this beast? XPeng's own Turing AI chip, capable of performing a mind-blowing 3,000 trillion operations per second. That means advanced vision, AI-driven movement, and natural conversation through a system adapted from XPeng's in-car smart cockpit. And get this, XPeng's CEO has committed $13.8 billion over the next 2 decades to robotics, with mass production of Ion scheduled for 2026. Priced at $150,000, this robot is aiming to take on Tesla's Optimus head-to-head. Next up, we have Ubtech, a name that's been quietly dominating humanoid robotics since 2012. But now, they've done something no other company in the world has managed. They've deployed an entire swarm of humanoid robots to work together in a real EV factory. At Zeekr's high-tech facility in Ningbo, Ubtech robots lift heavy boxes, coordinate on tasks, and communicate through a shared intelligence system called BrainNet. This isn't science fiction. BrainNet is a hybrid AI system combining cloud and device-based reasoning. These bots work like a hive-mind. Thanks to swarm intelligence, they don't just operate alone, they learn and adapt together in real time. Ubtech has over 2,450 robotics and AI patents and has already hit mass production. Their proprietary ROSA, Robot Operating System Application Framework, powers everything from manufacturing to healthcare bots. They are not playing around. Ubtech is redefining smart factories with real-time multi-robot teamwork. Third on the list is the Unitree G1, possibly the most affordable high-performance humanoid robot on the market. While most robots like this go for hundreds of thousands of dollars, the G1 brings cutting-edge agility to the table for a fraction of the cost. With 43 joint motors, it moves more flexibly than many humans. But what really went viral? Its stand-up sequence, flat on its back, knees bent, then flipping upright into a standing position. It looks like something out of a video game, but it's real. Equipped with 3D LiDAR, a depth camera, and a core motion module capable of 120 N/m torque, this robot isn't just flexible, it's powerful and intelligent. And with a top speed of 2 meters per second, it can move fast when it needs to. Unitree has already made waves with its robot dogs like the Go 1 and Go 2, but the G1 brings that same accessible innovation to the humanoid space. At number 4, we've got a robot so smooth, people thought it was CGI. Meet the EngineAI SE01, a 1.4 meter tall, 40 kilogram humanoid with a gait so natural it fooled the internet. The SE01 uses 12 degrees of freedom in its legs, combined with NVIDIA and Intel processors, to interpret video, map environments, and recognize objects in real time. It's not just about walking, it's about walking like us. Released in 2024, it's already being used in research, education, and industry. With plans to produce over 1,000 units annually, this is one of the first truly scalable platforms for human-like mobility. EngineAI is gunning for realistic, embodied intelligence, and SE01 is only the beginning. Over the past decade, China has quietly and rapidly positioned itself as a global powerhouse in robotics, especially humanoid robotics. With massive government funding, deep supply chain integration, and a national strategy that prioritizes AI and automation, China has built an ecosystem that moves from concept to factory deployment faster than almost any other country. Unlike in the West, where regulatory bottlenecks and fragmented infrastructure slow down innovation, Chinese companies operate with aligned industrial policy, access to affordable components, and a massive domestic market ready for automation. From Shenzhen to Ningbo, humanoid robots are no longer lab curiosities. They are assembling cars, patrolling streets, and working side by side with humans. And behind the scenes, China's top universities and AI firms are feeding these robots with some of the most advanced perception, mobility, and interaction models in the world. When it comes to global competition, two Western names often come up: Boston Dynamics and Figure AI. Boston Dynamics has long set the bar for mobility with robots like Atlas, known for their agility and acrobatics, but despite years of viral videos, Boston Dynamics has struggled with scalability and practical deployment. Meanwhile, Figure has made headlines with slick demos and major partnerships, but it's still early days, with no large-scale deployment or production yet. In contrast, Chinese companies like XPeng, Ubtech, and Unitree are putting robots on factory floors right now, with real-world use cases and production goals that dwarf their Western counterparts. China's approach is different. It's less about the perfect robot, and more about building scalable, good-enough machines that can evolve fast through iteration and AI. While Figure is focused on a single flagship model and Boston Dynamics still fine-tunes prototypes, China is quietly flooding the field with real, working humanoids, and that might be what wins the race. Sad face. From XPeng's precision assembly bot to Ubtech's robotic swarm and Unitree's budget marvel, China is redefining what humanoid robots can do. These machines are no longer prototypes. They are workers, assistants, and performers. And they're only going to get smarter, stronger, and more common. Which one of these robots blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insane tech content like this.